What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Hardwood Huntsman. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a little bit of a muskrat trapping video here. I got the colony traps right here. You've never seen me use these. You never even seen me muskrat trap before. This is going to be the first video ever on muskrat trapping. So yeah, I'm going to head out on the lake. There's a little creek that goes out of the lake, and I'm going to be trapping that. I'm going to be setting these colony traps down in the creek, and I'll show you guys how to do that. And hopefully we can catch some muskrats. So I'll be setting them today, checking them tomorrow. You have to check them every day. We got the good old blue with on today's muskrat trapping adventures. So yeah, we'll see you guys when you're out at the lake. You guys stay tuned. So guys, we're out here at the creek now, and now today, guys, we have the creek right here. Down here, down there is blue. I'm bringing blue with these. You don't bring them in trapping because you get caught in trap. These are just cage traps, drowns them. So yeah, he can't really get caught in there. So yeah, I'm gonna chisel a hole right here. Ice isn't too thick, I don't think, so I'm gonna chisel a hole here big enough for both traps to go side by side, and then I'm gonna set them down there. So yeah, you guys stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, we have our hole cut now. Blue, get out of the way. It's actually looking pretty freaking sweet. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but you can see like the whole bottom, everything. Water's just flowing. Blue, what in the world are you doing? But yeah, so gonna get these traps set down here, and then I'll show you what they look like from there. Alrighty, guys, as you can tell, I think the camera's picking it up, but the traps are set, boys and girls. We have them in this hole, and they're taking up quite a bit of the creek here. And I think if I can find some sticks, I'll just jab them in there really quick to make it block. But actually, I think for today, we're just gonna just leave it like this and see if she produces. I mean, you can catch 15 to 20 of these in one trap. They just pile on up in there. So yeah, hopefully we'll catch some here tomorrow, and then I'm gonna probably continue. Yeah, I'm gonna continue this video tomorrow when we're coming out here to check them. So yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying this video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button down below. So let me know if you want to see one of these videos. Well, you have to wait till tomorrow and see before you finish the whole video. But yeah, I gotta get Blue wearing cattails. He's running around. I need to get him home because he's raising hell out here. He's running everywhere. So yeah, I'm gonna call it for today, and then see you guys tomorrow when we're checking traps. Well, guys, welcome back. The next day here, we are gonna be headed out to go check these muskrat traps that we set yesterday. I'm hoping we got something. I have a good feeling that we might. And then yeah, we're letting the ranger get warm up here, and then yeah, I'll probably meet you guys out on the lake. So see you guys out on the lake. Well, guys, we're out here at the lake, at the creek, and hoping to get some good old muskrats today. We are walking back in the creek right now. There's old Blue Dog. He's black lab, but I suppose you guys don't really care what kind of dog he is. But last year I caught quite a bit of muskrats out of this creek here, and then this year I'm hoping to catch a few more. But so I came back here about 2 weeks ago, and the creek was like so wide open now. There's like 6 inches of ice. So yeah, we are here. And you can see the hole I cut yesterday, and you can usually tell if there's anything in here by if there's any air bubbles. And I see, oh yeah, I see there's some air bubbles down there, guys. Alrighty, guys, I'm gonna get her chopped open, and I'll show you what she looks like. Alrighty, guys, nothing in the traps. Kind of surprised me, but you know, it's trapping. You gotta keep going, keep trying. But I'm gonna put some blocking sticks on the sides here because I think they might be getting around. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'll probably actually just see you guys tomorrow because there ain't much to see here anymore because we didn't catch anything, obviously. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow. What is up, guys? Welcome back to day 2 of winter muskrat trapping. So today, back out here, same spot. And hopefully we got something today, I don't know. But walking back to the creek right now, and yeah, I guess we'll see you guys when we get there. Well, boys. If you can look down here, we got the freaking air bubbles, and I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up, but there's a big old freaking muskrat down there. Way to go, boys. Freaking caught one. I'm pumped. Yes, finally got a muskrat now. I'm gonna chisel it out of here, and I think we might have two. There might be one under there. I can only see one, but I can tell this one's pretty nice. So yeah, I'll chisel it out of here and then see you guys then. Alrighty boys, here is the first catch right here. Alrighty boys, we have the trap out right here. Let's put the camera up so you can see. As you can see there. Hold on guys, these like bugs, all those little black things, those are all bugs frozen in the ice. It's crazy. I don't know what they are, but yeah. Here's our muskrat, a big old freaking muskrat right here. And he's all wet and you're like, well, he doesn't look that good. Well, all you gotta do, gotta put him in the snow up here. Just gotta there you go. Here is our muskrat. This is a big freaking muskrat. This guy's like a football right here. Holy moly. But there is the muskrat right there. Nice catch. Right here, I'd say. I don't know, this guy's probably a large. He's not like super long and lengthy, but he's just a big football. He's big and chubby. So yeah. But yeah, so finally got a catch. I'm gonna probably upload this video now just with this one catch, and I'm gonna pull these traps actually for tonight because we're supposed to get a huge snowstorm tomorrow here in Minnesota. They're expecting up to like 8-10 inches of snow, and it's gonna get really cold. Like today I had to chisel through 2-3 inches of ice now just overnight. So now I'm gonna pull these traps. I'll come back here when it's not so cold and it's not snowing. I'll reset and make another video. Yeah, here's one last look. Our catch here. Nice little muskrat. A lot of people think a muskrat's a beaver. It's actually not. Beaver's a lot bigger. I'm gonna do a beaver trapping video this spring hopefully, and you'll see a beaver. They're like 70. These big ones get up to 70 pounds. They're just little muskrats, but they're still really cool looking, and their fur is really, really soft. They're used to make like the collars on coats like these. I don't have a fur collar. They're more on women's coats, but they make like the fur collars you see over the hoods and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys back at the house. I'm gonna pull these traps out, and yeah, see you guys back at the house. Alrighty guys, that is gonna be the end of the video. I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Here's one last look at the muskrat. But yeah, so here's the muskrat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. When the storm is over, I'm gonna try to make more of these videos, and let me know if you want to see more of these trapping videos or not, or if you want to see more fishing videos. I don't really care. I like making them all. So yeah, but this is pretty big muskrat. Usually I've caught some that are like a lot longer than this, but this guy's just big and he's chubby. He's like a big football. So yeah, and these are colony traps. These are 6x6 colony traps. You can order them off of Minnesota Trap Line. I'll leave that description in the link if you're interested. And yeah, so Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Billy. Hit that subscribe button down below. Turn on that notification bell. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.